All right, well, so in today's recap, I'm gonna be going over EU and what I saw for EU. So I took a loss here. So on the daily chart, I was iffy on taking sells on EU solely because we took sell side and we tapped into this little order block right here. But on the 5 minute, you can see we have buy side right here, and we have hell sell side right here. I was wary of the fact that EU can continue higher, but I was expecting a pullback of some sort before I went higher and to take out sell side perhaps, but I guess I never did that. And so when I got to the charts, I was looking at EU and GU, and GU, I was looking at buy side as well, and I was looking for EU and GU to both take out buy side, but GU never took out buy side. And when I saw that, I was like, there was a market structure shift and everything. There was a silver blow right here, perfect. But I just didn't like it because it didn't take out the buy side up here. I know it took out buy side here, whatever, but it didn't look clean enough for me to take. And unfortunately, EU is a motherfucker that always takes me out before and like when GU happens to be golden trade, EU just absolutely fucks me over. So honestly, I'm probably gonna stop trading EU and just solely trade GU and NQ, um, because honestly, EU has been just a lot of bullshit, just bullshit with EU all around. I'm not blaming it on the market. Obviously, I read something wrong or something like it's going bullish or whatever. But at the same time, GU had a beautiful drop and EU didn't. So it just telling me that EU is more bullish than GU, which is kind of sus. So I don't want to trade EU anymore. But yeah, this is my trade. On the 1 hour, you can see we took buy side right here. We also tapped into this little thing right here, and also it was at a 4 hour Cibi. So that was my main confluence for EU. That's why I wanted to take it more than GU, because it was at a 4 hour Cibi, while GU didn't even fucking do anything. All it did was tap into whatever the fuck this is, and it never took anything. So even though I took this loss, I'm still like happy that I still followed my plan, because long term, like if you take sells like these when buy side's right up here, you're gonna get fucked, like straight up. And I know this trade won, but I don't really care. It is what it is. I took the setup that my plan followed. I followed my plan, and it is what it is. All right, I took buy side. It took buy side. Market structure shifted. I entered the trade, put my stop right above the high. What else can you do about it? It's just a losing trade. But yeah, honestly, so far this month has just been pretty ass. It's August 29th, so I'm hoping that next month, September, market, does what it's supposed to do. Stops being a little bitch and just, gets right back on track. So, yeah, that was my trade for today. Quick little recap right there. So, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something out of it. And if not, it doesn't really matter. So, peace.